Hi everyone, this is Edmar from edmartechguide.com, and today I will try to fix this laptop computer. As you can see, it's quite old, outdated. I bought this in 2008, and I use it for about 4 years every day, at least 8 hours a day. And then I bought a new one, and since then my daughter is using this every day. So this is quite a workhorse. And 2 days ago, it showed a problem. Let's see. Let's boot it up. Yes, it would not boot to Windows. Yep, suddenly. It had a blue screen. And then I restarted it and came out like this. So usually what I would do is to choose last known good configuration, and it usually fix the problem. Let's see. Okay, so it will check the hard disk. Huh, okay, I thought it was gonna work. Okay, so we saw a blue screen there. Okay, so maybe okay. I think first thing that I think is a problem. It's possible that it's the memory. Okay, so okay, we'll remove the power first. Okay, let's see. As far as I can remember, there are two memories. I have 2 gig here, two 1 gig memories. Okay, memories right here. And let's see if that's a problem. Okay, it's a 1 gig memory. Uh, DDR2 memory, 1 gig. And I have another one here. So let's try it first if it will boot. I took out one memory. Okay, so it asks again, they want to start Windows normally or in safe mode. So I'll try to start it normally. Okay, and then for the disk checking again, cancelled it. But you might want to wait. Okay, still. Okay, so it's not a problem. Let's try the other memory. Let's see if it will boot. Okay, so maybe we should wait until the disk checking is complete. I will just let it do its thing. Usually, check disk appear when you did not shut down the computer correctly. Properly, sorry, properly. and because the laptop doesn't boot, so I had to turn it off just by pressing the on and off button. Okay, that's it. It will restart, and I hope it will boot. Uh-huh. Okay. hmm So, it might be the memory, the one that we took out, get off. Okay, now let's put this back. We'll shut it down first. Even though this is a 6-year-old laptop, as you can see, it boots fast. That's because of the SSD. I actually upgraded the hard disk to SSD a few years ago. So I'm booting from a 64 gig SSD drive, and then I put a backup here. So I remove the DVD drive and then replace it with the normal hard drive. Okay, so let's put the memory back. This one is good. Okay, so while you're at it, maybe this is the good time to clean the memory. I'll just get an eraser. Okay, so I have an eraser here. Yes, just a normal eraser. And then you can clean the pins. Okay, when you have a memory that sometimes doesn't work, sometimes not, or maybe not working at all, you can try to clean the pins using an eraser. Okay, and then put it back. And I think it's also a good idea. It's also a good idea to clean the other memory, although it doesn't have any problem. Okay. Let's try. It's a good idea not to put this back yet, because you need to try it first. If it works, then put the cover back. Okay, that's the cursor, but the Windows 7 screen is taking a long time to appear. Huh. It's good. Okay, so looks like it's working now. So it just might be a case of a loose memory or dirty pins on the memory. But I noticed that it's not that fast, so maybe there's really a problem with one of the uh, memory stick. Uh-huh. This is not normal. The cursor is still there, but it's quite slow, let me say. Mhm. Because usually this computer boots fast. Like I told you earlier, it runs on SSD. Okay. Mhm. So it might be time to replace the memory. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. So I don't recommend this, but I'm getting impatient, so I'll turn it off. Okay, you can turn off any computer or laptop. If it hangs, you can just press the on off button for 5 seconds or more and it will turn off. Okay, I will take out one of the memories. Uh-huh. I can't remember which one. That's the problem. I think this is the good one. Yeah. This one has a problem. Because my daughter is using this computer and I don't think she mind having just 1 gig of memory. She just watch YouTube videos, so it's okay. Mhm. I'm quite confident now that it's the memory, so I will put the cover back. Okay, let's just start Windows normally. I'm not sure if I can still buy a brand new DDR2 memory. Okay, that's it. It's working. Okay, so this memory has a problem. What are the symptoms? Blue screen, suddenly the computer is freezing, it hangs. Usually blue screen with memory dump. The culprit is the memory, defective memory. That's it for now, and we're back soon.